Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then hit the bell icon. Today we are making stunning jhumka earrings. First, let's prepare our workspace. Make sure you have a clean flat surface and all your materials within reach. You will need UV resin, a jhumka base, UV tint, decorative elements like dried flowers or golden flags, and some tools like mixing stick. Don't worry, if you are new to this, we will make it super simple. Firstly, we will take UV tape and cut it, then paste the jhumka base on it. Pour the UV resin into your jhumka, filling it just enough to cover the base. Now it's time for the most difficult part. Add your chosen decoration, arranging flowers and some gold leaf for a unique look. Once you are satisfied with your design, it's time to cure the resin. Place your bases under the UV light. Depending on your light, this can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. Watch as the resin transforms into hard glossy finish, turning your design into a beautiful jhumka. After curing, carefully remove the jhumka from the UV tape, then attach your findings securely to complete your stunning earrings. And there you have it, your very own UV resin jhumka earrings. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more creative ideas.